that you can be tuned in to all my upcoming videos. Hi everyone, my name is Margie, and I'm going to start a video blog, and it's going to be called Maggie Mae's Cookbook. I'm going to do recipes that my mother wrote down and recipes that I have in my little dialogue, whatever you want to call that, and I'm going to do it so that I can forward it to younger family members so that we can keep this all going. And I have a book here that my nieces made for us, and it has all my mom's recipes written down on little cards, and it's all in sections. So we're going to use some of the recipes out of here, and I'm also going to use my own recipes. I have a little box here with my recipes, and I'm hoping that you're going to enjoy it, and we're going to cook together. How's that sound?